What if you could enter a place where the entire animal kingdom comes alive? A place where lions rule, eagles fly, sharks swim, and a whole...
Welcome to the most modern zoo in the world. A place where technology and nature combine to protect our planet's amazing animals.
This is more than a zoo. It is a place where people can learn about animals, nature, and our planet.
This zoo uses modern technology to care for animals. Scientists study animal health, behavior, and habitats. Every animal receives special care.
Here we can see the African lion. Lions are powerful big cats. They live in groups called prides. This is the tiger. Tigers are excellent hunters and strong swimmers. Their stripes help them blend into grass and forest shadows. The leopard is a strong climber, while the cheetah is famous for speed. Both are important predators in nature.
Giraffes are famous for their long necks. Zebras are famous for their black and white stripes. Every zebra has a unique stripe pattern.
Wolves are social animals. They live and work together in packs. Communication and teamwork are very important to them. Rhinoceros are large and powerful animals. Hippopotamuses spend much of their time in water. Both animals need safe habitats and protection. Rhinoceros are large and powerful animals. Hippopotamuses spend much of their time in water. Both animals need safe habitats and protection.
In the heart of the African rainforest, every species has found its own unique way to thrive, living in perfect harmony with the jungle. Giant pandas are famous for their black and white fur. They spend many hours eating bamboo. Their survival depends on protecting their natural habitat. Bears live in many different environments. Brown bears can live in forests and mountains. Polar bears are specially adapted to cold, Arctic environments. Wolves are social animals. They live and work together in packs. Communication and teamwork are very important to them. Reptiles are found in many parts of the world. They include snakes, crocodiles, turtles, and tortoises. Some reptiles are excellent swimmers, while others live mainly on land. Birds live almost everywhere on Earth. They come in many shapes, colors, and sizes. Some can fly very long distances, while others are excellent runners or swimmers. Birds of prey have excellent eyesight and powerful claws. Eagles are strong flyers, while owls are specially adapted for hunting at night. Flamingos are famous for their pink feathers and long legs. They often live together in large groups near lakes and wetlands. Lizards are another fascinating group of reptiles. Some can change color, some can climb trees, and some are excellent swimmers. Penguins are birds, but they cannot fly through the air. Instead, their strong bodies help them swim quickly underwater. Now we enter the underwater world. Oceans cover much of our planet and contain an incredible variety of life. Sharks are important predators in ocean ecosystems. Rays have flat bodies and move through water with graceful movements. Sea turtles can travel long distances across oceans. Coral reefs are home to thousands of different marine species. This rainforest dome recreates a tropical environment. Rainforests are among the richest ecosystems on our planet. Frogs are small but very important animals.
They help control insect populations and can tell scientists a lot about the health of an environment.
Now we enter a tiny world. Insects are small, but they are extremely important. They pollinate plants, recycle natural materials, and provide food for many other animals. Butterflies are beautiful insects with amazing life cycles. They begin life as caterpillars and later become flying adults.
Bees are important pollinators. Ants are famous for teamwork. These tiny creatures help keep ecosystems healthy.
When the sun goes down, another world begins. Many animals are most active at night. A modern zoo also has an important mission: conservation. Scientists and veterinarians work to protect endangered animals and teach people how to care for nature. Animals are not just part of our world, they are part of our future. Every species has a role in nature. When we protect animals, we protect our planet world we share. And this is only one small part of the incredible world of animals. If this journey amazed you, don't let it up. Learn, and protect our amazing planet together.